Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, to the Stock Market Show. This is your host, Shades. As always, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. In this video, we are going to go over the most recent PR for AITX. We're going to check on the people as well. Have not looked at the Discord because I'm running my own now that it's grown. So what I'm looking at is AITX. It's right back where it belongs. We know they like to dilute a lot every month. They have to do that to stay afloat. That weakness, though, is a strength because it brings the share price down back to that bottom where it's held for over almost 2 years. We're headed for 2 years. It's insane, actually, to think about the fact that there's a stock with a bottom and we can just keep timing it and flipping it over and over again for 20 to 80%. Over and over again. 100% win rate on this one. I added 1K today at 0028. I cannot lump sum, of course. I cannot lump sum 10K into it. I'd be like a third of the volume or something. So I have to slowly add, slowly start accumulating. But I did add 1K just to start a starter position, as some people would call it on Twitter or X, whatever you want to call it. So there you go. The usual. You know what to do. You know what time it is. It's time to accumulate. With regards to the people, let's just check on the people, see what they've been up to, what they've been talking about. How are they feeling right now? Position, you and dilution, like really? Shall we just lay off a bunch of team members? Stop innovating. This is the CEO, by the way. Stop innovating, slow logistics. Come on. Or shall we have an institutional investor continue to buy shares from us at a slight discount to market? Kind of, sort of like a Series B or C, etc. You may not know, but we've had periods of zero dilution and the stock does what it does. Please, for the love of Mike, cancel the line of talk. It's simply wrong. Yeah, this is I was just, I was just talking about dilution. He's not lying. There are periods of zero dilution, but they still dilute, right? Like, it's still a problem. So don't let this fool you. I agree that there are periods of zero dilution, but they still dilute, right? That doesn't change that. He's not saying, hey, we're never going to dilute. They're still going to dilute. I wouldn't waste an ounce of energy explaining that to him. He's on here crying all day about the stock because he bought high. Well, a lot of people in this AITX Discord bought high. And they stopped crying because they're out of tears. So, wild how numbers haven't changed in a couple of years. YouTube has taken off. Interesting how platform attention changes. It has been recommended he get expelled because of that and zero tangible effort to help anything. Damn, they're going to ban someone just for crying? My shares, I bought them at 25 cents. I think most of them cry all the time. I've been there. I've been in Discord before they banned me. Let's see. If the institutional buyers didn't ever... So this is always the back and forth in this Discord. In this AITX Discord, it's always the same story. Dilution, blah, 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 crying. Steve gets angry and rinse and repeat. This happens literally every time we come back down to that bottom. Psychology, right? Price is a reflection of the people. And this happens every time. If any shares that get created out of thin air and any get sold, that's downward pressure no matter how you spin it. Just saying, if they never sell, then yeah, it's all gravy. Oh, I see. You're an idiot. So this is Steve Reinhardt here, the CEO of AITX. He's about to go in on someone. Oh, I see. You're an idiot. Okay. Deny facts, ignore my comments, forget about our progress, make up nonsense, too dumb for my time. I'm surprised you still reply to Quickscope here. He's a troll. When I had a free Discord, he was just a troll. And he's watching this, and I don't care. You're a troll. This is why I have to charge people for my Discord. This is why Moon Market does it. This is why a lot of Discords charge they charge double the amount. I charge 25. 30 because of tariffs now, but still, I charge cheap compared to the 50 or 100, $150 ones. There's other more expensive ones. But you have to charge money to weed out these trolls. It's a good barrier in my opinion. I see you're an idiot. You're an idiot. You make no sensey. You can read. I ain't here to read you, especially to you. Ridiculous. Anyway, bye. And I'm sure he finally got banned. Which is props to the Discord. At least you banned someone. That's actually annoying. Best conversation ever. Handle your business, bud. He wants to sell out. I will take them off his hands. I put him in timeout, but I think he was able to delete his nonsense. LOL. Oh, no. You should just ban him. That was a soup of utter idiocy he posted. Yeah, no, that guy just ban him. Like he's gonna get. He's already. I think he leaves comments on my videos, but no one sees them because he's banned. Yeah, I think that's it. I think you can see, like, it's always important to keep track of the people. What are they doing? What are they saying? What are they up to? Are they crying? Are they not crying? Are they banning? Are they not banning? What's happening? But I said last year that this was going to be a big year for AITX, and I stand by that. And that's why I'm buying again. But Shades, you said you weren't going to touch penny stocks. I lied. Why wouldn't I keep abusing that bottom down there? That doesn't make sense. This whole channel is now built on slapping those big bottoms at that big ask. Anyways, jokes aside, a top-tier healthcare provider has now ordered 16 Rio 360 security towers for 12 sites, with plans to expand to 55 units across 23 locations in this initial deployment phase. So we know we're going to get more PRs for this coming later. But this doesn't move the share price. This isn't going to move the share price. We know that out of 100 PRs, what was the number? 7% of them move the share price. So we're going to get, what, 7 more pumps? At least based off of historical data, right? But these type of press releases, they're cool, they're good, right? Like, yay, we're growing, but it's not going to move the share price. Just, this is more so for the new people that are watching this. Let's see, for emergency, we kind of already know most of this. Hospitals deploying RAD security solutions are reporting significant improvements in safety and efficiency. Rio, Rosa, and RAD Light My Way. Yeah, those are the orders that they get, especially the Rios. People love Rios, whether it's the automotive industry or hospitals. With interest in AI-powered security growing, RAD is in active discussions with several major healthcare providers for both RAD stationary and mobile solutions. So we would expect more. Which I said this last year. I'm like, we're gonna get way. If you thought we got a bunch of PRs last year, we're gonna get a bunch of them, even more this year. I mean, they what they set out to do, they do it. That's the benefits of having a CEO that's transparent, a company that's transparent. You can trust that they're gonna do what they do, even if it means, hey, we're gonna dilute on your head. Well, we can trust that he will do that. Let's see. Interest in Romeo Gen 4 throughout the healthcare industry is accelerating as hospitals and medical centers look for more effective ways to secure their properties. Yeah, I think that's it. What more can I say here? Why do I have a timer here? I have no idea. But I already bought in $1,000 worth, and I'll be looking to add the other 9,000 slowly. That's just kind of what you have to do when you're buying that many shares. I don't think I'll be able to. I don't think I'm buying 50K anymore. That was a one-time thing just to get the bag out from 007s. I got out. I'm good. 100% win rate. Guys, let's do it again. Like, come on. Please take advantage. I don't know why people want to go against my analysis. Like, I'm telling you, I think long-term there's potential here. I'm going to wait for the uplist first and see how it behaves. Because as I've shown you before, we've seen what happens with, was it Eyeless? Eyeless, I don't keep track of that one anymore. That one has caused me too many losses, and I walked away from it like a pro. Get out of here. You're done, finished. Eyeless here, what was it? No, one of its subsidiaries got acquired, and that subsidiary, or that company that acquired it, it just pump and dumps. So cool that it uplisted, right? One of Eyeless's subsidiaries uplisted, and for what? Just to behave like a pump and dump? So that's kind of something to think about. Like, even though I'm waiting for NASDAQ or whatever New York Stock Exchange uplist, but even then we still have to be concerned. Like, it's not just, oh my God, we uplist and we win. It's we uplist and now how is this going to behave? Is it still going to behave like a bottom pump and dump? Or is it going to behave like Palantir, where it just slowly grows over time and people make lots of money and then it has really great earnings, rinse and repeat? Because this is in the AI sector, it's worth keeping an eye on. But for right now, in the OTC, it's nothing but a pump and dump. Take advantage of the pumps and rinse and repeat. That's it. Patience, discipline, strategy, all of that pays off. You've seen me grow from... I should do a video of me doing analysis on AITX back when I was like a complete noob. Like I didn't know any better back then. And look at me now. I just call everything to a T, play by play. I don't know if other channels do that, but this is incredible. Please take advantage. This is going to be the easiest money you'll ever make. If you want to join the Discord, patreon.com/shadesandtrades. We are literally 100% win rate since that loss on ILIS in November. Like, it's insane. And I hope literally all you need is one stock. That's all you need. Abuse it. Take advantage of that bottom there that has held since 2023 November. We're well on our way to 2 years of being able to time the bottom on this stock and abusing it.